In some countries, cutting down cacao trees is illegal, but why do some farmers still do it? A cacao tree usually takes 5 to 7 years to fully mature and start bearing fruit. Instead of waiting that long, farmers use a technique called side grafting to attach a high-quality cacao variety to a strong, mature tree. This speeds up production, improves yield, and preserves the root system. As a result, farmers can harvest more cacao in less time, grow disease-resistant trees, and produce better quality chocolate, all without planting new trees from scratch. Who knew cutting down trees could actually be a good idea?